Stop listening to everyone's opinion because everyone has their own life experience, good and bad. I'm not saying that do not listen to your parents. Respect them, learn from them. But when it comes to your goal, think about yourself. Because in our childhood, many of us heard that money is not important. Money is bad. Money changes people. But let me ask you something. If money is not important, then why many of people are struggling for food, education, and for basic living? Let me give your example on it. Why cannot you buy that car? Why cannot you do higher studies or go to abroad? Or why is a family struggling with financial problem? Answer is clear. Insufficient of money. You know what's the real problem is? Is you. Yes, you. You only think about they have so much of money. I wish I could have too. This is your real problem. Just wishing does not change anything. You stay the same. But you can have money. Yes, you can. But the reason you do not have yet because you are just thinking about the money. Like, I will borrow from him or her, or I will just pray to God, or I will just rob here and there. No, just stop thinking shits. Think about how money works. Thinking about earning money and understanding how money flows. There is a whole lot difference between them. Let's take an example of Ratan Tata and his Tata family. Why do you think they still work so hard? Because they know something powerful. They understand money is just a result, not a goal. When they improve skills, leadership, innovation, automatically business expands. And when business expands, more jobs are created, more salaries are paid, more families are grown, and of course, country develops. Expanding business means impact. They do not rush or chase money. They chase excellence. They chase vision. They chase long-term value. And money flow automatic. Here is a mindset fact. Poor mindset asks, how can I earn money fast? And growth mindset asks, how can I become so valuable that money has to come to me? So stop running behind the money first. Run behind your skills, your knowledge, your learning, value creation. Apply and take action because money respects value. And that's simple and clear. Now, let's take a real situation. You want to become a businessman or businesswoman. So, what will be your first thought? Will you say, I want to earn in crores? Absolutely no. First, learn business from scratch, A to Z. Understand the basic. Do not skip the foundation. Business does not mean taking note. It is not just theory. Business is practical. You must talk to people, build relationship, understand customers, learn negotiation, learn communication skills. Communication is not important for business purpose only. A good communicator can grow in any field, corporate, content creation, sales, or even personal life, etc. If you can express value clearly, people trust you and trust builds money. Suppose you are selling a product. Ask yourself, do I really know about my product? What problem it solves? What makes the product different from others? Why someone choose my brand only? If you do not know the answer of this, then how will customer will trust you? Be crazy, but not crazy for money. Be crazy about learning. Be crazy to understand your craft. Be crazy to master your business. Be crazy to improve your content. But do not be obsessed with results. Just be obsessed with learning. Learn more, learn again, learn deeper, learn until others get tired. Just grow, go deep because depth builds skill, skills become value, and value builds money. So do not let small mind people to enter your big vision because success do not come from listening to every opinion. It comes from your clarity. Listen to advice, but do not absorb negativity. Protect your mind. Stay focused. Stay crazy to learn and grow. So let me say it clearly. Money is not evil. Ignorance of money is a real big problem. Do not chase money blindly. Understand how it works. Build yourself so strong that one day you will realize you are not chasing money anymore. Money is chasing you. If this changed your view, share this with someone who thinks money is evil or bad. I'm sure it helped you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till now, bye bye.